Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we would like to introduce the upgraded Pro Max version of our previous 505 series, the brand new 501 electric heated towel rail. Compared with the standard version, the 501 series features upgraded dual heating columns, providing a larger heating area, more even heat distribution, and faster warming performance. You can easily warm and sterilize children's clothes, jackets, gloves, socks, bath towels, and daily garments with high temperature heating. Even with the larger heating capacity, it still keeps the modern LED touch display panel, allowing you to freely select 0-9-hour timer settings, adjustable temperature from 30 degrees CC to 70 degrees CC. You can customize the heating level according to different towel thicknesses and moisture levels. For safety, the product is equipped with IPX4 waterproof protection and overheat protection, helping ensure safe bathroom electricity use. We support OEM and ODM customization, including custom logo, packaging customization, product customization. As a professional sanitary ware manufacturer from China, we are confident in providing high-quality products, professional service, fast delivery times,